All right, guys, back to side 2 of the dude's inner treasure box. Okay, we were left with this guy, and I almost think that the dude kind of giving us an easy one here. After the last, I guess, 3, since combination locks are not my thing, now we got a little brink. Now, the thing about these brinks locks, this one has been, well, it looks new, but when I took a look at the end of it here, it looks like somebody has beat the crap out of the bottom of it on the right side here. So maybe it's a little frustrating, I don't know. But these sometimes do have security pins in them, but maybe if I can find a way to hold this, find a comfortable way here. I want to keep it as realistic as I can, so like, yeah, like that, maybe find the top of the keyway here for it. I'm trying to keep this kind of centered. It's not going to work. Okay, let's just go with, let's try bottom of the keyway. Simply because it's kind of at a weird angle. I don't want to turn them upside down. That just wouldn't be fair. But I also want to kind of keep it centered as best I can so you guys can see. All right, what we want to do, we want to make sure that the core turns, and you can see it jiggling there just a little bit. See how it turns just a little? So that way we know that we're not binding. If we use any of the others, like let's try this guy. This might give us a little more room. I can actually feel him dragging. It still looks like it's turning, but it's dragging a little bit. Let's try it. That'll give me a little more working room. And let's first try to rake it open. So I'm going to use this little guy. Try him, and if not, we'll use a regular Bogota. But there's not a lot of room to work with in the keyway, just because I'm using that bottom of the keyway. So let's slide him in there. I might not even be able to get this guy in. All right, light tension, and let's try to get us a fault set going. Yeah, even with this little rake, there's just not going to be very much room there. He's getting caught up on the end of the rake and some of that warding in there. So this is clearly not going to work. Let's try this guy, a little medium hook. Let's see if we got room to work with. Get in there. All right, so we got light tension. Got a binder. Here's like pin 2, 3. I think 1 is set. There's 2, and I do have a fault set going right there. It tells me that there's a spool in there somewhere, and that would be pin 2. Okay, I'm getting counter rotation on pin 3. Okay, that was pin 3. Pin 2 still in place. Keep moving towards the back. I got another binder, pin 4. It also is giving me some counter rotation right there. I think we got him. Let me go back and check everybody in the front, make sure nobody fell down, and we're good. It is not open, so I got 1 more to go, I think. See if I can get this pick under him. I can't get that darn pick under him. He's on the way on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is take another pick, same thickness, 25 thousandths, but a little bit less of a vertical rise on the hook. This is a standard short hook. Because sometimes you can squeeze that tip. See how it's angled? It can like shovel under him and get you access. And there, it fits perfectly. See how now I'm getting counter rotation on him? And there we go. All right, so there you go, guys. It wasn't a gimme, but we got a 5-pin Brinks lock. One of them, I believe pin number 1 is standard, and all the other 4 were nothing but hooks. I love hooks. I mean, I'm sorry, spool. I love spools. I love hooks too. A lot of things I love, to include chocolate candy, which is what I hope we're going to find when we get inside of here. Some more of those gold doubloons. And hopefully not a Medico. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal. Dude, thanks for putting this together. This turned out to be a lot of fun. Thanks, guys.